especially when you know what happened in regards to this case where you're hallucinating or paranoid from using drugs and you could have ended up killing your brother. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If you drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And know that you're going to be tested.
I might be negative now. So.
Well, are you using cocaine?
It was just a whole type thing.
No.
No, it honestly wasn't. It was. No, it really was. I haven't done it in so long.
Balboa, you got to be drug tested. We can go off the record. You got to be drug tested today.
Okay.
Brenda, you ready?
Yes.
Court is calling 2022 CR 0423 State of Texas versus Joseph Balboa. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Michael Villarreal for the state.
For the defense?
Megan Enriquez present for John Coons for Joseph Balboa.
All right, come on up. Are you Joseph Balboa?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're here for sentencing. On April 14th, you entered a plea of no contest, count 1. According to the plea bargaining agreement, a punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. State will remain silent on your application for deferred adjudication. State recommends community supervision, and they will take in consideration 2022 CR 0065. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report?
Yes, Your Honor, we have.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Any objections from the defense?
No, Judge.
All right, well, the state is silent on his application for deferred adjudication. Is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Judge, if we could swear him in, I'd like to ask him a few questions.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna need you to speak up. You can lower your hand. Defense?
Mr. Balboa, how old are you?
31.
Where do you live?
138.
I'm sorry,
That's we cannot hear you. And everyone, if you could please whisper for us.
31 years old. Stay right here for 138.
You live here in San Antonio?
Yes, ma'am. Here in San Antonio.
Okay, and your brother, your roommate?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Just y'all two?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you work
Yes, ma'am.
full-time?
Yes, ma'am.
Where do you work?
McLean Food Service Company.
Okay, tell the judge what you,
I'm
Okay,
an order
hold on,
selector.
hold on. Slow down and then speak up and clear so I can hear you.
slow down a little bit.
I got McLean Food Service.
Yeah, I'm a McLean Food Service Company. It's I'm an order selector.
Hold it closer to you.
Okay, I'm an order selector. That's about all I do there.
Tell the judge what you do. How many hours a week do you work?
Well, I work every week. I get about like 43 hours and try to get overtime as much as I can.
And how much are you,
But I'm like
how much are you earning?
$18.50 an hour.
Okay, and are you close to getting a promotion?
Well, no,
A raise.
Well, I have to perform 4 things that they need, which is above at least 95%. And they'll move me up to $22 an hour. I have to do that for 4 weeks straight.
And before these arrests, you had never been arrested for a felony?
No, I'm not. This is first time offense of anything.
Okay, and if the judge were to grant you deferred adjudication, and you're motivated to successfully complete it,
Yes,
correct?
ma'am. Yeah.
And you keep busy by working a lot?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you also pay child support?
Yes, I do. For one child.
Okay, and beyond the mandatory payment, do you also give the mother of your child money for other expenses?
Yes, ma'am, for daycare. And if she needs more money for diapers or something, yes, ma'am.
Nothing further, Mr. Balboa.
I have no questions.
All right, if you drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And know that you're going to be tested.
I might be negative now. So.
Well, okay. So what might you have used? What potentially could you be positive for?
Probably the
All right. So how often are you using cocaine?
it was just a whole type thing.
No.
No, it honestly wasn't. It was. No, it really was. I haven't done it in so long. I recently just felt like down into the depressing. It was just one time.
When was this one time?
About like 3-4 days ago.
All right. So what else have you used in the past?
Nothing. Oh, in the past it was just marijuana
And what else?
and the LSD that you have me on there for, but I haven't used anything other than that. And that I swear to.
Okay. And what are the ages of your children?
My ages are 2, 7, and 16 months.
All right, and where are they living?
Two of them are in Puerto Rico, the oldest, and then one's down here with their mothers.
Has Child Protective Services been
Oh,
involved?
no, man, no, man.
Does anybody know the result of his MIC evaluation?
Did you have?
Not yet. They told me I have to go after court for the mental evaluation, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's after this date.
All right, is there, all right, any other follow-up questions?
No, Your Honor. Just brief argument.
All right, court will hear argument.
Your Honor, this is his first felony arrest. He's 31 years old. He's working full-time, often overtime. None of the children live with him, but he does help provide for them by sending financial resources. So I do think that he stays busy with work. He is living with his brother as a roommate. And I do think he is motivated to keep a felony conviction off of his record. And so for that reason, we ask the court to respectfully grant him deferred adjudication.
All right. It says that the restitution amount for drug testing is $1,965. Is there any issue with that? I mean, that's a large amount.
I do know that there were multiple substances that were
Yes.
found. So if he had the term of his deferred, I think he would be able to pay over the term of his deferred.
All right. Court will sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
And
There's a
that's
fifth.
I'm sorry, that's the 19 plus the 15, right? For the, okay, I'm sorry.
No, I've just been told that according to the PSI report that the restitution is $1,900.
Okay, man, I'm
I
sorry.
don't see anything else. Is there something else that I'm missing?
No, I thought it was a 1,500.
Oh, he's talking about the fine, Your Honor.
All right. So 6 years deferred adjudication, $1,500 fine prorated. Take in consideration 2022 CR 0065. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 150 hours community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. That includes the booster. However, the court is not requiring you to do that. But if you do that, or if you've done that and you provide proof to probation, the court will deduct 40 of those hours. There's going to be parenting classes with compadre y compadre. And those must be completed. And once they're completed, the court will waive the remaining of your community service hours. MIC evaluation. Cognitive behavior classes. Someone help me out. What are they trying to do with that? Change his thought processes?
Yes.
Mr. Balboa,
Yes, ma'am.
change your thought processes. What that means is stop letting your first go-to be to do
Sure,
drugs.
sure,
You understand?
Yes, ma'am. I'm working on that on myself too. It's
All right.
complicated. It's hard doing it on my own.
All right. I'm going to do cognitive behavior classes. How many classes is that?
Let me check.
Let me see. Before I order that, let me see how long that is. Because I don't know if the issue is really cognitive behavior. It's more of he's addicted to drugs. And maybe once that problem is solved or he's in control of that, then everything else will follow through.
So,
I'm sorry, what?
so me sober, I'm perfectly fine when I'm sober. It's just when I'm on that, that's when
Yes.
everything is chemically imbalanced.
Your Honor, it's 10 weeks long, approximately 20 hours.
All right. So we're not going to do cognitive behavior classes. We'll see where you are once you are on the road to sobriety.
Yes, ma'am.
And then if he does need cognitive behavior classes, after we've addressed that issue, then we'll do that. There's to be no harmful or injurious contact with Jeremiah. That's your brother,
Yes,
correct?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Jeremiah Espinoza. Just, I know they stay together, but does
No,
Jeremiah
yeah.
want to have contact with him?
Oh, yeah, my brother's compliant.
We've previously spoken to him, and in our conversations with him, he was apprehensive and essentially declined prosecution. So I don't have a specific, I might be able to have a specific answer for you, but
Are you staying with your brother right
Yes,
now?
ma'am. Right now, yes, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 moment.
it appears to have spoken to him specifically about that issue, but the recommendation was based on our conversations and his kind of watching this.
All right. You gotta do regular reporting by Zoom or in person, no harmful or injurious contact with Jeremiah Espinoza, felony drug court. You're gonna do the UA hotline. And here's the thing, when you go over to felony drug court, don't do to them what you did to me, which was, I think I'm gonna be clean. Don't do that to them. You need to tell them the truth. I don't know, here's the thing. I don't know anybody your age who's just using cocaine once, especially when you know what happened in regards to this case where you're hallucinating or paranoid from using drugs and you could have ended up killing your brother. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm gonna want the UA hotline until he is accepted in felony drug court. Gonna do a TAP evaluation. So if he's not accepted in felony drug court, then it'll be a TAP evaluation, follow all recommendations. And I'm gonna want a UA today so we can see where he is. And that's gonna be today, and they're gonna do that for you in court today. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else that he needs?
Say anything about field visits?
Thank you. We're gonna do field visits 2 times per month, random. And that's until further notice. All right, is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? Mr. Balboa, do you need anything else in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Mr. Balboa, you're going to be drug tested. We can go off the record. You're going to be drug tested today.
Okay.
Before I get the drug test back, you're saying the only thing there may be is
It's
cocaine. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing else?
No, ma'am.
All right, and is your brother,
I'm not here to lie to you. I'm trying to get what I can get, to get my life back on track.
okay, and you have a Ghostbusters tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
That's my Rocky's favorite movie when he was young.
Oh,
He was
okay.
younger, yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, well, probation is going to go over conditions with you. They're going to do a UA.
Okay.
And that is the final shape of the ruling. Joseph Boa avoids immediate prison, but the judge makes it crystal clear this is a tightly controlled second chance, not a free pass. He receives 6 years of deferred adjudication, a $1,500 fine, proof of employment within 30 days, 150 hours of community service, parenting classes, regular reporting, the UA hotline, a same-day drug test, random field visits, no harmful or injurious contact with Jeremiah, and no unsupervised contact with minors. She also steers him into felony drug court, or a TAP evaluation if he is not accepted, and even pauses the idea of cognitive behavior classes because, in her view, sobriety has to come first. Legally, that is the court prioritizing rehabilitation, while keeping public safety front and center. She also reminds him that because this was a plea bargain and he waived appeal, he does not have permission to appeal. So the big takeaway is simple. The judge gave him structure, treatment, and a chance, but only under intense supervision after admitting recent cocaine use. Did the court strike the right balance, or was this too much grace? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.